Assembly video for our extra wide monitor riser. Attach the legs. Align the inner and outer legs in the orientation shown here. Insert the bolts through the underside of the shelf and into each leg. Peel the backing off the adhesive pads. Attach 2 pads to the bottom of each leg. These prevent slipping and protect your desk surface. Install the middle shelf. Now take the middle shelf and slide it into the center space between the inner legs. Tilt the shelf slightly, then hook it into the corresponding slots on the inner legs. Lower the shelf until it sits flat and secure. Take the storage drawers and slide them into the spaces on each side. Gently push until fully seated. The drawer should glide smoothly. Your mountit monitor riser is now fully assembled. Enjoy your new, cleaner, and more comfortable workspace.